How to hide featured photos on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can hide featured photos on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two ways to hide featured photos on Facebook. So first of all, open up Facebook and then just make sure that you're signed into your account. Then come to your profile page, and as you can see under here, I have got a featured section. One way that I can hide my featured section is by simply locking my Facebook profile from strangers. So I can tap the three dots option, then I can tap on lock profile. Then when I lock my profile, no one else other than my friends. Remember, my friends will still be able to see my featured photos, but not the strangers who are not friends with me. So if that is what you're looking for, you can lock your profile. Now let's say you don't even want your friends to view that featured photo. What you can instead do is you can turn on professional mode. So when you turn on professional mode, that featured photo will actually get hidden from your timeline. It will not get deleted, because when you turn off, then it will come back again. But as long as it is turned on, that particular featured photos will not show up on your feed, even to you, by the way. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.